Welcome to our Get Your Tailored AI Design tool. For today, we will look into our product design feature. Click on it and you will have an overview of all the different product categories you can choose. By clicking on one of these categories, you will have the opportunity to choose different input for your later generated designs. The first input is your own data folders with your own data included. In the future, you will also have the opportunity to give trends and competitor analytics as input. Finally, enter a name in your prompt for the designs that will be generated. Click on Order Your Digital Designer. The generating process will take up to 3 days. After your designs are generated, you can click on the left side on your folder. Here you can also see all of your other design folders. By clicking on Design More, you will get more variations generated. Over every image, you will have a checkbox and 3 dots. By clicking on the 3 dots, you are able to either download the image or transfer it to the other features from our Get Inspired tool. If you click on the checkbox, you are able to add the chosen images to your collection plan. Thanks for watching our tutorial.